Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can get people money off hold. So I have two ways here on how you can get your money off hold on your people. So you might experience this kind of issue on your people, on your mobile or your computer, wherein your money is put on hold. Now the first step here is for the person who sent you the money. So what he or she needs to do is go to the transaction. So basically, you'll find right here, or you can go to activity right there at the top. So click on that activity and select the transaction. And then from here, if you're going to select this one, go to wait for a few seconds. And then at the bottom, you'll see this button which says confirm receipt. And they need to click it. And then the money will go to your bank account or to your PayPal account. So you won't have to wait. Now, the second step that we're going to do to basically put the money off hold is just wait. So right here, as you can see the help article on PayPal saying, as you begin your selling journey or start selling after a while, we hold the initial payments you receive for up to 21 days. So this is the common industry practice to cover any potential buyer complaints that may happen in that time. So as you can see, you have to wait for at least 21 days to put the money off hold on your PayPal. Now, to prevent this kind of issues on your people, basically, if you want to send money, for example, going to click on send and request, and we're going to select any contacts here. So, for example, you want to send money and then click on the next button. Now, you have to choose the payment method. So, right here, so choose a payment type. So instead of choosing the for goods and services, you need to select for friends and family. So it will prevent the money put on hold. So that's it. That's how you can get people money off hold. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.